Hello dear students, welcome back to the class 8. So in the last video I have completed with the exercise number 1.1, that is the first part. In this video you are going to learn that is the second part. What is the second part? Write the additive inverse of the following. So additive inverse you already know, just you have to change the sign. So see here it is 2 by 8. Write the additive inverse of each of the following. It is 2 by 8, that is you have to write this as minus 2 by 8. Okay, so in this additive inverse in the second main, that is I am going to solve some 3 examples, and remaining some more examples are there, you have to solve by yourself. Okay, so minus 5 by 9, as this is the operation is negative, just you have to use the positive operation, that is you have to write in the form of positive, that is 5 by 9. Similarly third main, see minus 6 and minus 5, so both minus and minus both get cancelled, so remaining is only 6 by 5. But what we have, the question is, the question says find the additive inverse of 6 by 5. I will write this as minus 6 by 5. Okay, so this is the second part of your example. Second one, that is third main, I will solve one example. There is 2 examples are there, one you have to solve by yourself, and one examples I am solving. So see here it is verify, that is minus of minus x, means this is the question, verify minus of minus x which is equals to x. Okay, so just put in this equation. So minus of minus 11 by 15. So minus of minus 11 by 15, minus into minus plus, that is 11 by 15 which is equals to 11 by 15, means here you can say LHS is equals to RHS. Okay, so this you have to complete, just you have to put x is equals to 11 by 15, and you have to use this form, that is minus of minus x which is equals to x. So just minus into minus is plus, so 11 by 15 is equals to 11 by 15 which is equals to LHS is equals to RHS. Now see, now find fourth one. See, find the multiplicative inverse of the following. So multiplicative inverse means you have already learned in the previous video, that is in the previous classes, that is reciprocal you have to take. You have to inverse the number. So this is minus 1 by 13. This you have to write this as minus 1 by 13. So minus 1 by 13. So next see, just you have to reverse this number, 13 by 19 you have to write as 19 by 13, and minus sign you have to keep as it is. Here no any change of sign, just you have to reverse the number, sign should be same. So 13 by 19 you can write the reciprocal of 13 by 19 as 19 by 13, and just minus sign you keep this as it is. Now comes to the one more, that is minus 5 by 8 into minus of 3 by 7. So here just multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So that is 5 3 is a 15. Minus into minus is plus, again 8 7s are 56. So now we have to write in the form of reverse. So our multiplicative inverse of 15 by 56 is 56 divided by 15. So some more examples are there in the multiplicative inverse of the following, that you have to solve by yourself, and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. So now comes to the fifth main, it is exercise number 1.1, fifth main. Name the property used under multiplication for the following. So see here, name the property used under multiplication. So see here, first question says minus 4 by 5 into 1 which is equals to 1 into minus 4 by 5 which is equals to minus 4 by 5. So see here, 1 is the multiplicative identity of the equation. So see, I can write here 1 is the, because 1 is the multiplicative identity. One is the multiplicative identity property. Okay, so 1 is the multiplicative identity of the equation. So any number, when any rational number when multiplied with 1, the answer getting as a rational number, because of this closure property, that is you know that 1 is the multiplicative identity of the equation. Next one, minus 13 by 17 into minus 2 by 7 which is equals to minus 2 by 7 into minus 13 by 17. So this you already know, that is the numbers are changing, just interchanging, means you can write this as commutative property of multiplication. Thus you can write this is the commutative property of multiplication. Commutative property of multiplication. So this is the property of multiplication. Next say minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 19, which is equals to 1. So see here, if you solve, this is of a by b plus of minus a by b, which is equals to a by b plus of minus is minus a by b, which is equals to b, a minus a, which is equals to 0 by b, 0 by b, which is equals to 0. If I solve this, you are getting the same. So use this a by b as minus 19 by 29 into 29 by minus 9, which is equals to 1. Because of this, this is the multiplicative inverse property. This is the multiplicative inverse property. This is the multiplicative inverse property. Okay. So all of you go through this fifth main part and please note down these notes. So now comes to the exercise number 1.1, that is the sixth question. Multiply 6 by 13 by the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16. So see here the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16 is, which is equals to, that is 16 by 7, and minus sign you have to keep this as it is. Just you have to multiply this. What you have to multiply, that is 6 by 13 into, that is minus 16 by 7. So this you have to multiply. So just multiply this. 16 6 are, so you know that 16 into 6 you have to do. Just multiply this numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So 16 6 are, 6 6 are 36, 6 1s are 6, 6 plus 3, which is equals to 96. So means this is minus of 96. Next number you are having as, that is 13 7s are. So you know that 13 7, that is 13 7s are, go through this 13 into 7. So that is 7 3s are 21, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 2 is 91. So this is 13 7s are, you have to go through this 91. Okay, so you will get the required answer as minus 96 by 91. First one, the reciprocal of minus 7 by 16 you have to write without changing the sign. Just you have to reverse the number. 7 by 16, which is equals to 16 by 7, which is equals to 6 by 13. This you have to multiply 6 by 13, that is 6 by 13 into that reciprocal minus 16 by 7. So 16 into 6, which is equals to 96, plus into minus is minus, 13 7s are, which is equals to 91. Now comes to the one more question. Is 8 by 9 is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 integer 1 by 8, why or why not? Okay, so see here, 8 by 9 is the multiplicative inverse of 8 by 9. So 8 by 9 into, so just see, you have to use this minus of 1 by 8. So you have to solve this 8 by 9 as it is into 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. So minus of 9 by 8. So this 9 get cancelled, 8 get cancelled. So remaining is answer 1, minus 1. But 1, as we know that, but 1 is the multiplicative inverse, but 1 is the multiplicative inverse, so minus 1 is the multiplicative inverse, as we got the answer as minus 1, means this 8 by 9 is not a multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 8, means you have to write, therefore you have to write the reason as 8 by 9 is not multiplicative inverse. I write mi, 8 by 9 is not a multiplicative inverse of minus 1 integer 1 by 8. So go through this concept and solve this video, and one more examples are there. You have to solve by yourself and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. Hello dear students, now welcome back to the 10th main of exercise number 1.1. Write the rational number that does not have a reciprocal. The rational number that does not have a reciprocal is 0. I have to write this as 0. Okay, next one. The rational number that are equal to their reciprocals. The rational numbers that are equal to their reciprocals means we can write as this as 1 and minus 1. 1 and minus 1. Okay, so now see the rational number that is equal to its negative. The rational number that is equal to its negative means you have to write this as 0. Okay, next one, fill in the blanks. So 0 has dash reciprocal. This 0 has no reciprocal. Okay, next one, second one, the product of two rational numbers is always a rational number. The product of two integers is always an integer. Similarly, the product of two rational number is always a rational number. Okay, the product of two rational number is always a rational number. Third one, see the reciprocal of a positive rational number is always positive. Always positive. And some more two examples are there in the fill in the blanks. You have to solve by yourself and you have to send me on my WhatsApp number. So this completes your exercise number 1.1.